Hop on thing. For the right price, what, like 40 channel points?
Wanna just stay mag, bro?
Fuck no, dude. They got a magic that we've been farming, bro. It's like we're gonna look like win traders. Just gonna keep playing thing and shitting on them. It's a free win.
By the looks of it, they called the wrong one of us Iron Fist, kid.
When my chi is fully focused.
Come here, handsome. Let me flake you.
After what Hydra did to me, I wouldn't be so sure.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I'll do what's needed to win this.
Trying to go too far in front of the boxes because we don't have a shield.
Gotcha.
Well,
I think he's flanking left side.
magic to the left, magic to the left.
Reloading.
Oh my god, they just walked in as soon as I left. God damn, I hate that point, bro.
The Groot walls is
If
what's honestly
anything
getting us
leaves
killed.
those boxes, you just like insta lose.
It's also the,
might
it's the Groot walls.
actually-
It's the Groot walls.
Yeah, I agree. I might actually have
Can
to play
anyone
Mag.
can anyone play Punisher just to get him off of Groot and then we can swap back to whatever it is you want to actually play?
Yeah, Punisher is so absurdly broken into this comp, it's not even
I
funny.
play Punisher, but I'm on heal. But I think our Moon Knight can do good on it.
Have to reload.
We are undefeatable.
These Groot walls are gonna
Or
get
let
me
me
killed.
kill, bro.
Magic on our back line. Dead.
Have to reload.
Oh, we're all dead. You know, if Thor's just gonna pill, what in the fuck is even the point?
I'm making a comeback. They made it halfway. Stop
Okay, Punisher's a good swap. I like it.
Fuck, it's Avenue, bro.